This is a modern and economized society, right? Every individual runs behind something for their survival. What if there's something smarter than this? Instead of fighting with the rat race to earn a few income, you could earn money from anywhere, anytime you wish, even if you sleep. Want to know how? And there comes into the play the affiliate marketing. Now, let's get to know what is affiliate marketing and the concepts behind affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular tactic to earn a rapid and massive online revenue without dealing in person to person. Affiliate marketing is a process in which an affiliate earns a commission for advertising another person's or company's product. The affiliate are the person who simply searches for the products they like and advertise them on websites or their personal blogs, pages, etc. and earns a profit from the sale they make. The sales are tracked through affiliate links from one website to another, just like a chain process. Want to know how to start affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing works by spreading the responsibilities like product marketing, creation across parties. Parties, in the sense, it's a kind of organization, or more precisely, a group. To make this business work, one must make sure of the below mentioned three parties: one, seller and product creators; two, the affiliate; three, the customers. The seller can be whether a large enterprise or solo entrepreneur, a merchandise, a vendor, product retailer, or product creator who's ready to market their products. The object can be physical products like household articles, goods and services like makeup tutorials, whatever it may be. The seller need not to be actively participated in the marketing, but they share the profit associated with the affiliate marketing. The affiliate, also known as the publisher, the affiliate can be an individual or group of people like a company who markets the product of the producer or seller in an appealing way to the potential customers with the aim of reaching their income. In other words, the affiliate promotes the products to the customer or convinces them with the beneficial of the product. Once the customer purchases a product, the affiliate earns a portion of the revenue made. Whether the customer knows it or not, they are the drivers of the affiliate marketing. Affiliate shares the products on their blogs, pages, and websites. When customers buy the product, the affiliate and the seller shares the profit. Sometimes the affiliate will be the upfront here by disclosing an extra profit for the sales they make. Either way, the share of the affiliates is included in the retail price. The customer will complete the purchasing process and receive the product without affecting the affiliate marketing strategy. This is how affiliate network works when each purchase is made. Do you know how the affiliates get paid? The affiliates get paid in various methods like pay per sale, pay per lead, pay per click, and so on. When it comes to pay per sale, this is a standard affiliate marketing structure. Here, the merchant pays the affiliate once the customer's orders and receives their products based on the affiliate marketing strategy. There's nothing more to work here. When the customer makes a purchase through your referral link, you will be paid directly from the reseller or merchant. Next is pay per lead. This is a little complicated system. Pay per lead compensates the affiliate based on the conversion of leads. The affiliate must persuade the customer to visit the customer's web page or complete the desired action, whether it can be completing a form, signing up for a trial of product, download software, or whatever it may be. Last is the pay per click. This aims on redirecting the customers from the marketing platform to the merchant's website. This means that the affiliate must make the customer to visit the merchant's website from the affiliate platform. The affiliate gets paid on increase of the customers who visits the merchant's webpage. So, this is how affiliate marketing works, a business that's something very easy and cost efficient too. Even if you guys are not ready to start this as a business, you can be a great affiliate and earn your passive income. If you guys found this video useful, then like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get notified for further videos. And thanks for watching.